Understanding Stay Safe, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you've likely heard often, stay safe. We'll break down its meaning, use, and context so you can use it confidently in your conversations. Let's dive in. Stay safe is a phrase used to express a wish for someone's security and well-being. It's often used when there's some form of risk or danger present, or even as a general goodbye. In essence, it's a way of showing care for someone else's welfare. This phrase can be used in various situations. For instance, during bad weather, a pandemic, or when someone is embarking on a journey. It's a versatile expression that fits many contexts where you want to wish someone protection from harm. Let's see stay safe in action. Before a storm, the weather looks bad. Stay safe out there. During a health crisis, don't forget to wear your mask and stay safe. When parting ways at night, it's getting late. Stay safe on your way home. While stay safe is a common phrase, its usage can vary depending on the culture. In some cultures, saying stay safe might be reserved for more serious situations, whereas, in others, it could be a routine farewell. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, stay safe, for you. Remember, it's more than just a goodbye, it's a caring reminder to be cautious and look after oneself. Stay safe until our next lesson.